In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Google Tasks. If you love the cleaner look of dark interfaces, or you just want to reduce eye strain during late-night sessions, switching Google Tasks to dark mode is quick and simple. Since Google Tasks on desktop lives in the side panel of other Google apps, you won't find a separate dark mode switch inside Tasks itself. Instead, it follows the theme of Google Calendar or Gmail. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose whichever you use most. Let's start with Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your browser and look for the gear icon near the top right to open Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Appearance. Here, choose the dark option. Once you confirm by selecting Done, Calendar will switch to a darker look. The key detail is that the Tasks panel on the right side will now match that theme automatically. So, as soon as Calendar is dark, Google Tasks in the sidebar becomes dark too. If the change doesn't show right away in the Tasks panel, give it a second or click out and back into the panel to refresh. If you prefer managing your theme from Gmail, that works as well. Open Gmail. Click the gear icon to open Settings, and under Theme, select View All. You'll see a collection of themes, including several darker options. Pick a dark theme you like, and then click Save. Gmail will update instantly, and your Google Tasks panel on the right will follow the Gmail theme. This is helpful if you want a specific dark look in Gmail while still getting the benefit in Tasks. A quick note on how this works behind the scenes. On desktop, Google Tasks doesn't have its own independent dark mode control. It always adopts whatever theme you've set in either Calendar or Gmail. That means if you switch back to a light theme there, Tasks will also switch back to light. On mobile, things are a little different. On Android, Google Tasks offers a manual toggle for dark mode within the app's settings, giving you direct control regardless of your system theme. On iPhone, Google Tasks follows your device's appearance automatically, so when your iPhone switches to dark mode, Tasks does too. That's all there is to it. Choose Calendar or Gmail to control the look on desktop and use the built-in behavior on mobile. Enjoy a more comfortable, cohesive dark experience in Google Tasks anytime you need it.